Okay, good morning everybody. It's a Tuesday, August 7th, and we have overnight prices continuing to gain in the grains. We've got the wheat prices up anywhere from 7 to 10 cents. We got the corn market up roughly around 2 to 3 cents. And the beans are rebounding in here after yesterday's losses. We got the beans up roughly around 10 cents, the meal up around $2, and the soybean oil market up around 25 points. We thought last week and coming into this week would be a very important week for maybe perhaps price direction on three fronts. Number one, what's going on with the weather and how it's handling crop conditions. We had a rain system that moved through the Midwest here over the weekend, and it's now exiting, which you would have thought would have been a little bit supportive, or a little bit helpful for the crop conditions. Crop condition numbers came out last night, and they went down for the spring wheat, corn, and beans. So I think that kind of gave the support in the marketplace. I guess it'll be a little bit interesting to see a week from today what the crop conditions do. Then having to go forward, the other twist was that in yesterday's weather forecast, they were talking about ridging coming back after this rain system, and now overnight the models are mixed. European says more normal, the GFS ridging, so we'll continue to monitor that. The second thing that we're looking at this week was what's going on with the trade wars. Nothing really new going on there. It still seems to be somewhat on the defensive. And then going into the end of the week, which would probably be the more important thing, is the USDA monthly report. And they came out with the trade guesses for the report, the wire services. And the trade has been favoritism towards the grains versus the oil seeds. And you can see, as far as the world carryouts go, that the carryouts for corn and wheat are coming on down. The beans are going on up. And the same thing here, even in the U.S., barring what happens going on forward with the weather. So anyway, how do you want to say it? The trade is still net short the corn and beans. We still have the trade adding and or building net long positions in the winter wheats. We still have the trade sizable net shorts in the soybean oil versus long the meal. And then we were out there continuing to support pivotal price areas as far as what we look at in the grains versus trying to break underneath them in the oil seeds, but they don't really want to go and crack. So I hate to default all the way until trying to say that the trade has this favoritism towards the grains versus the oil seeds, but still in general, it doesn't seem like we're really running out right now, and if you really want to think we're doing wheat business, that's not the case up until this point. But I'm going to default and wait all the way until Friday to go and see what the USDA has to say, then what the crop conditions are going to go and be, and then go and find out if the weather is going to be okay to go and try and say that we're still not running out right now. It's still money flow more than anything else. So good luck going forward. Wait until Friday. These are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.